rolling, rolling. Be sure to control it. Keep it safe, rolling, rolling, rolling. Be sure to control it. Keep it safe, keep it safe.
Kickstands up, let's start the season. Hang up your bells to warn off the demons. May is here, so stop all the madness. The many light songs creating sadness. Know your limits and your bite capabilities. Need your help to stop the fatalities. Plan your route, check the weather. These are the choices to help you ride better. No need to argue or create and strife. Wordz N Vizion gonna save your life. Practice your skills with your MSF training. Help you learn in the sun or it's raining. Stop passing cars in front of the street. Head on collision cause fatal defeat. Special message recommended for you. Rolling safety with my motorcycle crew.
Yeah, kick stands up, check treads, tire pressure, can't impress no one who care for me. Presence is a prison, if they pull up. Handlebars spinning, just it ain't no flexing, know the road rules. Yeah, be heard and be seen, and I'm watching my speed, looking out for debris, whether turning up the heat. Boots on my feet, carbon fiber in my gloves, never laying down my bike, but the curves get a hug. Cruising with my crew, gotta keep it safe, know how we do. It's bigger than us, ain't that the truth? Fatalities dropping and we live in proof. Yeah, motorcycle mentors giving formation. All my battles make it back to formation. Keep it safe, keep it safe, keep it safe. Keep it safe, keep it safe. Echoes in my head every echelon. Speak in prevention because they want you to live as long as you can. Don't want an accident to be the way you understand. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Be sure to control it. Keep it safe, keep it safe. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Be sure to control it. Keep it safe, keep it safe. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Be sure to control it. Keep it safe, keep it safe. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Be sure to control it. Keep it safe, keep it safe.